What's up everybody, my name is Reggie Cox and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the fine-tuning we did in Purifica. So, you know Purifica by itself is singular the best acid product in the world. It has been unmatched and now after 5 years it's time to make some fine-tuning. We took the feedback from our fellow detailers, tried to listen to them and see how they use the product compared to how we want them to use the product. So during the fine-tuning of the face, we made sure that we found new ways to apply this product and found a new goal to use this product. As you know, it's step number 2 in the 3 pH wash. It's the acid, non-corrosive, very low pH level, but still extremely safe for every single surface and for the ceramic maintenance program. So, without knowing that this product has now been fine-tuned, I have to tell you exactly what we did. A couple of things we changed were the dilutions. So, the same dilution will stay for the highly contaminated parts where we will use a 1 to 10 dilution. However, when we were changing to a bucket shampoo, we used to say a 1 to 60 was enough. Now we changed it from a 1 to 100 and a 1 to 200 depending on which part or which cycle you want to use it for. The use also inside of the foam canning has changed. You can use this product now as a surfactant wash. Cheaper chemicals tend to leave a layer of surfactants behind that dullify or nullify the ceramic coating performance. With the use of Purifica inside of the foam lens, 1 to 15 dilution will wash off those surfactants, giving back the splendor and the beading and sheeting that you were having before you were using these cheaper chemicals. Like I said, it's still 100% safe. The VDA certification did not change. The only thing we did is change the way we use it because of the feedback we got from the detailers around the world. One thing that did not change, but is still in the minds of many people inside of this world, is that they think we put inside a wax. But when you have a highly contaminated area with slow and bad water behavior, what Purifica does is remove these contaminants or mineral buildups or mineral deposits. By removing these mineral deposits, it might seem that we are putting on a wax, but what we are truly doing is removing those contaminants that slow the water behavior on the car. So, a wax-free, 100% safe to use product for every single surface of the car, Purifica Fine-Tuned. My name is Reggie Cox. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Labocosmetica.